Hello everyone. In my last video, we learned what is Docker. Just to recap, Docker is a software that helps you build, package, and deploy your application in the form of Docker images and run them in standalone containers. Now that you know what is Docker, do you know why Docker is an important tool for DevOps and why they use it? That's why I created this video to explain you why we need a Docker, why it's so attractive tool in software development as well as in DevOps. Let's try to understand this. So what DevOps used to do back in days when Docker was not around. So before Docker, the operation team used to spend a lot of time in configuring applications if they have different runtime needs. For example, if they want to set up a deployment pipeline for a Java application, they had to write down instructions and follow them manually to do setup and deploy the application. Now suppose they want to do the same for a Python application. Now they had to carry out a different set of instructions. Executing these instructions used to take a lot of time and a lot of manual tasks, and there is a high chance that they can make a mistake. And this is the problem that Docker solved for them. Now with Docker, irrespective of whether they want to work on a Java application or a Python application or any other application, they can just build a Docker image using the Docker application file. Now once they have a Docker image, they can deploy and run it in the same way anywhere, whether it's on-premise data center or in the cloud. So Docker standardized the packaging and deployment of applications on different platforms. And with that, DevOps can set up CICD pipelines quickly for those applications because their work is now streamlined to just focus on deploying a Docker image. I hope this is clear why Docker is useful and why it's so attractive for application development. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to learn more about DevOps, cloud computing, AWS, and more. Thank you.